Bitcoin, VeChain, ChainLink, XRP, Ethereum, everything is surging to the upside. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Saturday's episode on the Crypto Wealth channel. This episode shouldn't be recorded. We should record the next video on Monday, but it seems we have some incredible movement. As you can see over here, we are on our channel, and you can see this video that I showed you about altcoins. We got some incredible views from you. Thank you very much. So we discussed over here about altcoins, and since you like altcoins so much, right now I'm going to show you altcoins charts that are going to blow your mind, and also the trades that we are going to do and the trades that we already did with the ChainLink and Bitcoin. What is going on there? As I promised on this channel, we're going to do trades, and by trade I do mean full analysis of the trade, so you can learn also a bit of trading to be more aware of stop losses, of entry points, and stuff that we are mentioning in full analysis of the trade. So we are not here to brag. And now, let's begin. So I hope you like this resolution so we can have much more a bigger view over here. If you don't like such a bigger resolution, let me know in the comment section down below. But so far we got only good grades when it comes to this resolution. So we are going to keep it right now because we're going to visit very quickly some charts, and I'm going to show you some incredible moves that some of the altcoins, including XRP, are making right now. So right now we are standing over here on the live coin watch because we do have much better options over here than on any of other websites, and as we can see, some of the altcoins are doing some crazy movements, and one of them is XRP. We didn't mention XRP at all on this channel, unfortunately, but right now here we are going to do technical analysis very quickly. As we can see, 53%, ladies and gentlemen, in the previous 7 days, or let's say today, because those gains we got today, as you can see over here on the weekly chart, you can see this big green candle. This is incredible, and I'm going to explain you very soon what actually happened over here on the XRP. Now if we switch back very quickly over here, Link got us some incredible gains, so I'm going to show you also on the chart what happened and what we should expect and do in that trade, which is still on, right? Litecoin is doing great things, 35%, ladies and gentlemen. Some DOT over here is on 24%. 88 Cardano is doing some incredible stuff. Many of the altcoins are in green, and this is incredible. I think our video over here that we made, you should definitely check out this video that I'm showing you just right now, because it's going to give you much better clue what will happen with the altcoins and what kind of evidences are we bringing you on the table in that video. As you can see, 882 views, pretty good review. Now if we come back over here, we can switch first to the Bitcoin. I have something to tell you about Bitcoin and to actually guess what potentially happened with the altcoins. It seems like that the Bitcoin is trying to top itself out, at least for a short period of time, before some correction. And if we switch on the one daily chart, we entered this position 18,615, and right now we are still in some profits, but at least now we are rejecting. So I'm really scared of this tunnel. I already mentioned this in yesterday's video. I'm not going to drag too much on Bitcoin, and also I'm really scared of this RSI indicator over here because any moment we could crash. I'm not saying that we will, but we could crash, and it will bring us to the stop losses, and we do have leverage over here. I think it's 5 or 10 or something, so we're going to see how this will develop. But for now, so far so good, we are surging to the upside. And I told you in this video that the altcoins is going to start mooning once the Bitcoin is stopped out, but right now it seems like the altcoins are maybe, just maybe, giving us some warning signals for the Bitcoin. So we're going to see how this will develop in the next few days, because that will be determined here on the Bitcoin chart. So I begging you to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of a content. Also, if we switch to the next one very quickly, Ethereum is surging on approximately around $537, and like 50 videos ago we predicted Ethereum that is going to go between 600 and 800, so make sure to check out and try to find that video if you want. If you just cannot bother with that, I can do that in the comment section down below, just let me know. Switching to the next one, now this interesting fact over here. Look what I did with this chart, ladies and gentlemen. This is is Link USD TR trade that we actually did after bouncing back from 20 exponential moving average. We followed every single step, details, analysis, why we did this trade and everything. You need to go just a bit back, few videos. You will see link in the title what we did over here. We actually entered the position because of bouncing back of 20 exponential moving average, but first plan was actually after breaking this upper resistance over here, which is also Fibonacci 0.5, but 0.5 is not counted as Fibonacci. The big resistance that I'm expecting actually is over here on Fibonacci 0.618%, which is approximately on 15.18. So I'm really thinking right now to close position, which is standing on approximately, I think, 19, almost 20%, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, this trade that we did step by step, you all saw the Binance, everything that we did is going pretty well. Definitely, I don't want to jinx it up, but I think we should maybe close position and enter on the VeChain before we see ChainLink surging through $15 over here. Now, if we switch on the VeChain, I want you to see something very interesting. I already told you that if we break over here, this line over here is going to be very bullish for the VeChain, and it seems like that the VeChain is doing that we said. We are in that zone over here, which is giving us some resistance, and I'm still hesitating to enter the position, and I'm about to show you why. We discussed about this resistance over here that the VeChain had. If we break it, we should enter the position. Maybe we should wait close from today, so we open position tomorrow. But right now, I noticed also this week over here that hit this resistance zone. Also over here we have some wicks and consolidation. Also over here, so it seems like that the next resistance, which is coming just a bit above this one over here, is significant. So I would maybe wait to see some close above over here, as you can see, and then only then enter this position. We're going to see how this will develop tomorrow and also today. I'm going to follow this, and if I do the trade, I'm most probably going to do a video, so I will show you why we did trade, what could go wrong, where is the stop loss, and everything in details as I promised. So if you're new over here and you're interested in such analysis of the trades and everything, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'm going to give you all details so you can learn also how to trade from my examples and not waste your money. Now over here, VeChain is definitely under observation, and I'm going to put some money instantly on the Binance, maybe 40 or 50 bucks, we're going to see. And now the interested chart that everybody are waiting for is XRP. Yes, you heard me well, ladies and gentlemen. It seems like that the XRP deserved its place on our channel, at least over here by the price. So if you're interested to do XRP analysis on the price, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm not fundamental guy when it comes to the XRP, but I was watching a little bit chart to see what could happen, and right now it happened something very big, so you need to hear me out very carefully. XRP broke its very long resistance, at least by the timeline, right? As we can see over here, we had the resistance for approximately 2 years, ladies and gentlemen, and we broke it just a few times and came back below, as you can see over here and over here. Right now we are breaking for the third time. Now how big this is, I'm just about to show you, and I think it's going to blow your mind. If we come back to the Bitcoin very quickly, I'm not going to bother you too much with those details. As you can see, the Bitcoin did the same thing over here when we were on $3,000 after that big bear market. And as you can see, what happened with this bottom over here, round bottom, once we broke this resistance over here, we broke to the upside. As you can see over here, once we broke 20 exponential moving average and this line that I drawn, we broke to the upside. One more chart that we predicted even once we were over here in this area, at least silver over here, we are sitting on the silver. Silver had the same resistance, as you can see, very similar over here for approximately 2,121 day, ladies and gentlemen, and once we broke that resistance, look what happened. Kaboom, to the upside. Now, right now, the same thing is happening with the XRP over here. And the thing that is very important is to observe if we're going to close actually above this resistance. It's very important for the XRP to close above it find level of support, and then bounce to the upside. And make sure to observe the next steps, because we may actually break some resistances to the upside and reach $1, $2 and stuff like that. Right now the analysis are so simple that we may see bigger prices very soon. Observe, 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 and we're going to see to do some trades. Now if it's going to be XRP, if it is going to be maybe VeChain, we're going to see. We are already in 2 trades, so we need to be careful when we are managing too many trades at once, right? So we're going to see in which position I'm going to enter next. So we're going to go through steps slowly what happened and what could potentially happen. I hope you enjoyed this analysis over here, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure, please, I'm begging you to check out this video with 882 views. I really don't care about views and everything. I'm just telling you, it's going to give you much bigger perspective when it comes to the altcoins. What should you expect, and to prepare yourself on those steps there. Make sure to watch it, and you will know actually what to watch when the time comes, right? So we mentioned everything about trades that we did. We are still into the link trade. VeChain we are observing. Bitcoin is still consolidating on those levels where we are right now. So the previous 2 days are just open position. We are still up and down, but we are holding on those levels. We are still waiting to see if the Bitcoin will break those big resistances over here that I'm showing you right now. This tunnel is very significant, so we're going to follow it. So if you want more details, make sure to check out the previous video and previous 2 or 3, especially that one with the altcoin. Now, thank you very much for watching. I'm so glad we did this review over here, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of content, or if I missed something, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. I will answer you if you have some questions or doubts over here. I'm gladly going to help you. I'm from my shift of COVID, of course. We're fighting in our institution also, and yeah, I'm going to go read some books about trading. And until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.